Hello everybody, this is Tisha's doing what she do. Guess what? All my years I have been wrapping my hair. When my locks was down to my butt, when my locks was in the middle of my back, when I even cut it to the point where I have no hair around, which I need a haircut now. But my locks has grown again just on the top now because I have this part shaved, but now it's need a haircut. I have been wrapping my hair. So today I want to show you, have a tutorial and show you how I wrap my hair. This is one of the wraps that I do. I use anything really. I like to use scarves and wraps that you put around your body, all kinds of things. And from my past, over the many years, I had my locks over 20 something years. My family and friends always get me scarves or wraps to put around me because that's what I love. And so I saved all of them. Some have came from overseas, some has came from the United States, some I picked up at yard sales that was from overseas as well. So I found this one. I like this one because it grabs my hair nicely and it's cool. Usually when it get colder, I put the other ones on, but I'm getting back into my wrap styles now because since I had got my hair cut, I haven't been wrapping it. So I want to take you on a tutorial and showing you how I wrap my hair. Okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I do. First, when I get ready to wrap my hair, I usually oil it the night before, or I don't like to put oil on it when I wrap it, because sometimes it slides off, and especially when I don't have hair on the side anymore, the hair grabs it, and I have hair on the top. So this is going to be a queen. I call it my queen status hair wrap style. Probably not the proper name for it, but this is what I do. I grab my hair and bring it towards the front, and then I take my hand and I twist it lightly. I don't twist it hard because I don't like my hair being pulled, because my hair is very soft and thin at the roots. So I twist it like this, use my other hand to guide, and then as I twisting it, it goes around a circle, and I bring it, hold it out some so it won't be so tight, and twist it around into a bun. And usually I'm not looking, because you'll see my eyes closed. I do not look at me doing it most of the time. I do it with my eyes closed. Then I take my band, which I have on my wrist already, and I put a band around the bottom part and catches the back part. So now I have a bun on the top, and I make sure it's not tight. And as you can see, I need a haircut, so I'm going to hide all of that in just a minute. So now I'm going to take my scarf. This scarf is a long, nice, thin scarf. It's not silky, I can tell you that, but it's got a great texture, which I triangle it. As you can see, I put it in a triangle shape, and I take the back part of this and I'm going to put it around the back part of my hair. And I don't put it directly. I leave some on the back of my neck so it's easy to pull and to gather. And when I get it like this, I can make a decision if I want to show my hair or not. So today I'm not going to show it, so it's always a piece in the middle. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist it around, bring it up above my eyes. That. And I'm going to cover all of that today. So you see that? I'm just going to, and usually that gathers once I get it in there. Put it in like this. And I'm going to twist it. And make sure I gather around my ears. I like to cover my ears. It helps. Some people put a scarf, a knitted one on the bottom, on their hair first and then wrap it. I don't. I like my hair to have air flowing through it because it sweats, because I sweat. So then I just take it And I will twist this. And as I'm twisting this, I'm twisting the other one. So it won't be none. See this? I'm twisting that. I'm twisting each one. Gathering it and twisting it. And I don't count how many twists I do. I just do it until I decide, okay, well, I stop here. See right here, this gather, I wanted that. Make sure that's in there. So gather it and twist it. And I want to make sure it stays snug. And I think that should be enough. So I want to make sure it's snug. And then I take it and twist it right on the side. And lay it down. I could leave it up in the air, but I'm not. Okay. Back to our video. As I cross it over, I am twisting it from the back. I'm going to show you. As I twist it from the back, I'm twisting it and bring it around to the front. And I'll keep twisting it, bring it around. I'm going to show you as I go. And I'm going to bring this piece. Every time I do a wrap, it's always different. I don't know why it's always different. And I'm really never watching it when I'm doing it. So now I'm bringing it back here. Now at this point, I can tuck it or tie it. And so I think what I'm going to do this time is that I'm going to tie it like I've been doing that recently. And just tying a little piece right here. And this is very snug. I feel it and I like it. I like it snug. Holds better. So now when I tie that, I'm going to tuck it around the back side. Let me show you. Back in. Tuck it all the way in. Okay. So now I have this piece right here. This piece right here, I'm going to take it the same. I could come around the front to do it under, and I might do that. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist. Twist. And I like to gather it so it won't have any ends sticking out. Like this little piece right here. I'll probably fix that a little bit later. Stick that in there. And I'm going to gather this. Twist. Twist and gather. Twist. Twist and twist. And I'm going to bring it around this side. Now usually I take it around the same side and come back up, but every time I do my wraps, it's always different. I'm always trying something new. And now this one I'm going to show you. I feel it, so I'm going to tuck this underneath here. I'm going to tuck it underneath that one, and I'm going to still twist, and I'm going to bring it back over right here. See right here? Bring it back over and keep twisting it, keep twisting it, keep twisting it, keep twisting it. Tuck it back under, and I'm going to bring it back in here and snug it. Now I have a little piece right here because I don't like any little pieces sticking out. So I'll purposely put it there, and that is done. And see, I got a lot of gather right here because I did put it all the way down on my neck. So I have a lot of extra gather right around my ears. And if it slides up, I still have a lot of gather, which is awesome. You want to have gather so in case it slides up, you have more to pull down. So this is the one from the day. Let me see. Tuck that in just a little bit more. There you go. So this is my wrap for today. If I see any ends sticking out, I tuck them. And that will be it. Push that down a little bit. And that will be my wrapping wrap for today. Yeah, I think that's kind of cute. Kind of like it. You like it? Well, that's it. I'm going to put on my glasses because I did all this while my glasses on. Now, when those who wear glasses, I put mine, snug it in between my ear lightly and put it under my scarf over my ear. So put something that even pokes it out more and make it more looser. So that's why I don't never put the glasses on with the wrap when I'm doing it, because I have to adjust my glasses when I put them on. So that's my updo, my queen statue look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, this is Tish, just doing what you do with Miss Tish. Learning how to do a updo hair wrap. Hey, Queen statue. Talk to you soon.